Well, hello there everyone. I hope your day is going fabulous. Today we have sashas, 2 females. Aww. We have, well, they were born on 7/29, and we have a tiny little tan collar, red female who's being the pillow for the sister. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what you doing? Just a little nugget. Just a little nugget. There you go, babies. There you go. And then of course the other one is the pink collar sable. Hi, precious. She says, no, give me back to my mommy. I'm only gonna bug you for a minute. Say hello. Aww. All right, honey. There you go. You're back with your sissy. Oh, I know. You want mama. I'll take ya. All right, guys. Well, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching.